Welcome to the Winner's Weapon, a series of episodes on mathematics, episode number 4. In this episode, we deal with magic squares. So already we dealt with 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 7 by 7, like odd by odd magic squares, how to fill. We know all these things. And today we are going to deal with 4 by 4, that means 6 by 6, even by even magic squares. So first fill all available. So here in 4 by 4 magic square, there will be 16 numbers 1 to 16. We have to find first magic constant by applying the formula n into n square plus 1 by 2. So substitute the 4 in place of 4 in place of n. So 4 into 4 square plus 1, it results 34. That is the magic constant that will get the sum of numbers in first row, second row, third row, that means in fourth row, as well as all columns, as well as two main diagonals. The sum itself gives as a result of 34. See, first fill all the numbers in ascending orders, all available 16 numbers in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here we have to interchange two diagonals, main diagonals, all main diagonals in bigger, larger square as well as this smaller square. So first interchange these diagonals. In place of 1, write 16. In place of 16, write 1. In place of 4, write 13. In place of 13, write 4. So these two diagonals are interchanged. Now in this small square, so interchange 11 and 6. 11, 6. 10 and 7. That means 10 here, 7 here. So find sum. 16 plus 18 is 20. Sorry, 16 plus 2 is 18, 21, 34. Like that. If we add any row, we find 34 as result. Columns also 34 as result. And two main diagonals also 34 as results. Now we deal with 6 by 6 magic squares. In 6 by 6 magic square, first draw all 36 boxes will be there. 36 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally 6. This is first we have to make it into 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. How? So make it into 4 quadrants by drawing the lines like this. 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. This is quadrant number 1. This is quadrant number 2. This is quadrant number 3. And this one is quadrant number 4. Quadrant number 4. And find here all applying the formula, same formula, magic constant. In place of n, we have to substitute 6. 6 into 6 square plus 1 by 2. It results 111. It results 111. That means 111 is the magic constant. By adding all these numbers in first row, second row, third row, fourth row, something like that, we will get in each row as a sum of 111. As a sum 111. And here columns also 111. So first fill this one. So we already learned 3 by 3 magic square. According to the 3 by 3 magic square, we have to fill available numbers. First available numbers are 1 to 9 only. Here 1, already we know how to fill. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7, 8, 9. This is how to fill. Now next quadrant is this one. Next available numbers are 10 to some other numbers. 10 onwards. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 16, 17, 18. So next numbers 18 onwards. Here third quadrant. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Finally 25, 26, 27. Next available numbers are 27 to 30, 28 to 36, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and finally here no place, 34, 35, 36. So here we need to solve one more step. Of course we complete almost all. We have to do one more step. We are just started at one more step. Here consider these parts only. Consider these two parts. This part as well as this part. Interchange these three numbers with these numbers. Interchange 854 with 35, 32, 31 respectively. Interchange 854 with 35, 32, 31 respectively. How? In place of 8, write 35. So in place of 35, write 8. In place of 5, write 32. In place of 32, write 5. In place of 4, write 31. Here 4, here 31. That's all. That's all. So if you check any column, any row, any column, we will get sum 111. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Winner's Weapon. This is Lammathu Srinivas Rao. All the best. Thank you.